Hello and welcome to another video. In this video, I'll tell you all about mock exams, why you should take a mock exam and how you can take a mock exam. This will really change your results, and please watch the video till the end. Please understand that why should you take a mock exam? The answer is very simple. If you want to know why, there is a lot of research done, scientific research done. And what that research says? The research says that students who took mock exams always score more marks. This is important for us. They are not saying students who score more marks took mock exam, but they are saying any student who has taken mock exam and then written final exam, they score more marks in the final exam. So students who did not take, I'm not saying students who did not take will never pass. But when you take a mock exam, your chances of passing will go 20 times higher, and this is not what I am telling, this is what scientific research is telling. And when we go back to school, you remember, during school, we used to have mock exams, correct? In school, we used to have what we call pre-board exams, preparatory exam, especially in class 10, class 12 and all that we used to have, and there used to be a very big deal done by teachers and parents about this pre-boards. But if you remember, when you did the pre-boards, you always used to get some marks, but in the final you used to more often than not get more marks. Same logic applies to company secretary course, which is a professional course. So why should you take it? Simply to know the reality of where you stand. So the simple logic is, when you take a mock exam, you will know first thing, where am I? That means, what is the knowledge which I have? What are the areas I should improve? How I can do the paper presentation? What is the better way? Because you will get tips from the people who correct your mock exam. Of course, I'll tell you how we can help you. Best way to measure your preparation. Where do you stand in the preparation? Best way is mock exam. There is no other thing. So please don't take attempts. Take a mock test. If you take attempts, you are have to waiting for 6 months, 1 year, you have to keep doing that. Many times students who come after an exam, they told, it was a good time, I got a practice, next time I'll go right in the next attempt. Why should you wait for next attempt? You have to pass right now, and I am going to help you. So the first time you ever write 100 marks paper should not be the final exam. The first time you ever write, more often than not, you only please think and tell me. First time you're sitting for 3 hours. The first time you're writing for 100 marks is always the final exam. How can it be the best? You cannot go directly for a dance competition on the day of the competition and then do well. You have to practice, correct? So in our CS exam, you cannot only read. You can only read. You are not going to get the best result. You have to do what you are going to do on the final day. See, on the final day, you are going to write the exam, correct? Or if it is MCQ, you are going to choose all the answers. Whatever it is action oriented. So if you are a sportsman, if you are a dancer, if you are a creative person, you have to practice before the day of your performance, day of your match. Same way, exam, you have to practice the same thing. What is the thing which you will do on the day of exam? You only tell me, what is the thing you will do on the day of the exam? You have to do that while you prepare. It is simple logic. Whatever you do on the day of the exam, you should do before the exam and practice it. Final exam should be your best presentation. Okay? Final exam should be your best presentation. This is a basic fact you must realize. Now the problem is, student is doing everything except writing mock exam, and then if you ask them the question, they know, but they're not able to do well in the exam. So that is why take mock exams and rock the CS exam. So how can we help you? So at Excel Academy, we have come up with an amazing option where we will be giving you mock exam. So as I told you, it is the best way to know your level of preparation. So we are always there to help you at Excel Academy, and what we have come up is with the mock exam. So what will you be getting if you take the Excel Academy mock exam? This is something very unique. We are going to give you personalized corrections with comments. So the teacher is going to correct your paper personally. Okay, this is 1-to-1 time, and then we are going to give you the comments. And we'll also give you a solved question paper. What is the best answer? Then a personal audio feedback from the teacher will be given where you will know what mistakes you made. This is unique. Nobody has done this till now. Personalized tips is given to give the best answer in the best manner. So if you take the mock exam, what I can tell you, based on the experience of our previous students who have taken mock exam, they have definitely scored higher marks than the students who did not take the mock exam. So at Excel Academy, we are very, very committed to give you the mock exam. So what should you do? It is very, very simple. You have to sign up, which is on our app, correct? Or our website. So our website or app, if you have not yet signed up, please sign up. Please remember, we have MCQ mock exam for CS Executive, and we have also for CS Professional, we have one paper, and for CS Executive, MCQ and descriptive. So descriptive, we have only 50 seats because this involves the personal time of the teacher. See, it is very easy to do video classes. Video classes, if you do, all the students will give the same video class. But in the paper correction, that is why nobody else is doing this. Nobody else is doing this, I am telling you, because in the paper correction, one student needs exclusive time of the teacher. One student needs exclusive time of the teacher. So if I have to correct your paper, I need to spend at least 45 minutes to 1 hour to correct your paper, and also give you the comments and also give you the audio. So that is why we are going to give this option for descriptive papers only for 50 students. So for descriptive papers, we will be able to give only for 50 students, but for MCQ, because it is online computer based correction, any number of students can take. So I'll just show you our website. What you need to do is very simple. Just go to our website or mobile app, whichever is comfortable for you, and then you will be able to see all the course bundles. So if you see here, you have like mock paper. So you have, like, if you see here, 149 rupees is for the MCQ papers. So we have the old syllabus MCQ papers, new syllabus CS Executive MCQ papers. So this is the option which you are getting. Also, you can take individual mock exam. So when you look at individual mock exam, so if you see here, we have priced it very less. That is 99 rupees if you go take for the MCQs. And for the paper correction, we are charging around 300 rupees simply because it involves the time of the teacher with comments you're going to get. So like this, you can take the mock exam, and please remember that we have only 50 seats for the descriptive papers. If you take this, you'll definitely do well, and you will be able to do extremely well with your exam results. However, the MCQ paper, we have unlimited seats you can register. I think I told you very clearly why you should take. So for the descriptive papers, make sure you go to the website, purchase it, and do very well in the exam. I can assure you that if you take this mock exam, you'll get personalized feedback and you'll definitely rock the CS exams. So I will see you in the mock exam. So please remember that there are some rules relating to this mock exam which we will be telling you as soon as you purchase it. One general thing which you should know is that once you take the mock exam now, you will be able to get the question papers in June. So you will be preparing it June 1st onwards. We'll give you the question paper, and then you will be able to write the answer, and online you will be giving it to us in a scanned format. The exact rules on how to do it and all, it is very easy. If you have mobile phone enough, you don't have to do any other big scanning. So we'll give you all these details. So just make sure that you purchase, because we have a limited offer for this. One is the limited offer relating to number of people, and also we have only May 15th. By May 15th, you need to buy because we have limited seats. So thanks a lot for joining. I'll see you in the mock exam.